will see how this chisel is created with the help of loft command. Here you can see the dimensions are differing on various planes. Here on first plane we can see a circle with a diameter of 85, another circle with diameter of 85. Then on third plane the diameter is 50. On fourth plane it is a rectangle of 60 by 60, and then fifth plane the rectangle is of 5 by 150. So here the distance in between the planes is already mentioned. The first is 40, 25, 25 and 200. We will go into solid edge. We will create a new part. Click on tools, ordered, then click on home. Here we will first create various planes. Click on more planes, parallel planes. We will check how the planes are distance. The first plane is at the distance of 40, then 25, 25 and 200. Parallel plane. The first plane is at 40. Again click on parallel plane. The second plane is at a distance of 25. Next plane is at a distance of 25. Click again, next plane is parallel to this plane at a distance of 200. Okay, all our planes are now created. We will see what are the various cross section we have to draw. I consider it as a, here I consider this dimension as 85 on first plane, which is plane number 3 as shown in this figure. On plane number 2 it is again 85, on plane number 3 it is 50. We will draw it. Click on sketch, select the first plane, circle 85, close sketch. We will tilt it a little bit so the plane selection will be quite easy. Click on sketch again, the second plane, again select circle command, select center, again 85, close sketch, again click on sketch, the third plane, click on circle. Now the diameter is 50, close sketch. 3 circles are created, first one, second one and third one. Now we have to draw 60 by 60 rectangle, and on the last plane 5 by 150 rectangle. Click on sketch, select plane, we will draw a rectangle by center. By 60. Dimension 60 by 60. Close sketch. And then again on sketch, last, again on the rectangle, this is 150 by 5. Close sketch. Now we have drawn cross section on all the planes. Now we are selecting a loft command. In loft command, the cross sections are joined together, creating a solid part. We'll create a loft command. First plane, second plane, third plane, and fourth plane. Now I will click on preview. Parts are joined. I will again click on the loft command. Now I will select this plane with this. Again click on preview. Our part is now created. If I need to add a twist, what I will do, I will click on this loft command, select. Now instead of joining directly to this edge, I am selecting a different edge. Let's see what happens. Now you can see this edge is joined to this edge. It's a twist. So this is how loft command works.